Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get repost button on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search here TikTok and update your TikTok application. If your TikTok application is not up to date, once you update your TikTok application, you simply need to go into the settings. Once you go into the setting, you simply need to go into the app management, and here you need to click on app list and search for the TikTok like I am doing. Once you search for the TikTok, you simply need to click on storage and cache, and then you need to click on clear cache and clear storage. Once you done that, you simply need to log in your TikTok account and open TikTok, and then you need to click on the share icon, and here you can see that the repost option is not showing because my TikTok is not up to date. So once I am update my TikTok, this option will be shown to me. So this is the process by which you can get repost button on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.